In the chilling winter months of 1944, the dense forests of the Ardennes became the theater for one of World War II's most audacious gambits, Hitler's final great offensive on the Western Front. Known later as the Battle of the Bulge, this desperate thrust was conceived to split the Allied forces, capture the crucial port of Antwerp, and force a peace treaty favoring Nazi Germany. A formidable German armored force, consisting of thousands of tanks and troops, silently amassed under the cover of darkness and camouflage, ready to breach the thin American lines. The Allies, caught off guard in this serene but treacherous landscape, faced a dire test of their resolve and resourcefulness. The Germans, banking on surprise and the overpowering might of panzer units like the fearsome Tiger tanks, launched their attack on December 16th. The initial onslaught was brutal and effective, pushing deep into the Allied front line and creating a massive bulge. Soldiers fought fiercely in the snow-laden forests, where visibility was poor and the harsh winter conditions were as much an enemy as the soldiers opposite. Despite the breakthrough and initial success, the German forces faced significant challenges: fuel shortages, stiffening resistance from beleaguered but resilient Allied troops, and their failure to secure key roads and crossroads such as Bastogne created insurmountable obstacles. The tenacity of the 101st Airborne Division at Bastogne, who held firm under siege, exemplified the indomitable spirit of Allied forces. As days turned into weeks, the tide began to turn. Reinforcements arrived, favorable weather allowed for air support, and the Allies regrouped for a fierce counterattack. The greatest tank battles ever seen unfolded in the vast snowscapes of the Ardennes, as both sides clashed in a deadly dance of steel. Ultimately, through grit and ingenuity, the Allies repelled the German advance, sealing the fate of Hitler's final gamble. The battle marked a crucial turning point, draining German resources and hastening the end of Nazi tyranny. It was a testament to the complexity and ferocity of tank warfare, leaving indelible marks and stories of heroism, sacrifice, and strategy that still echo through the annals of military history.